Welcome to Cozy Season. This segment was sponsored by my car's engine light turning on. I left my car in a car park and joined Ramo on this really fun road trip. As much as I love driving, I forgot how good it is to have your hands free to film the road trip. I'm at a... Can you hear that? I'm at a Bikejoring and Canicross competition with some friends. This is where we are, the Fairy Glade in Borsig, Transylvania. This is an example of a small competition of bikejoring in Canicross. Since you'll hear these terms across the video, I'll do my best to explain them up front. Bikejoring is a sport where a dog or a team of dogs run in front of a bike pulling. Now, instead of a bike, in this video you'll also see a dog trike scooter, the three-wheeled thing. Canicross is the sport of cross-country running with dogs. The categories are split by the number of dogs as well as their breed. The best dogs for bikejoring are usually breeds that are born with the instinct to pull, like Husky, Samoyed, or Alaskan malamute. But the athlete I traveled with has an Argentinian dog, a Belgian malinois, and a Labrador. The more dogs a contestant has, the more times he can participate with various dog combinations within the reasonable limits of the dog, of course. The same challenges are repeated 2 days in a row, and the winners are decided per category based on their time. I'm trying to walk further away from the music. The scenery couldn't be better. This is one of those moments I hate not having a drone yet. Man, it is good to be outside the house and not in front of screens. Whenever I'm home in front of the screen editing or too much in my head, everything seems so much more dramatic. And now just being outdoors with an amazing view, amazing company, dogs, everything just seems a lot easier and a lot nicer and simple. So maybe we should get outside of our head more, or at least make ourselves a nice place to be in, but outdoors preferably. Hi!
Hi.
Well, this was a success.
Yes.
Tomorrow? What place are you gonna win?
First.
Yes. Badass fairy.
Yes, badass.
second day of the competition. I'm looking a bit rough. The forest is mesmerizing. Today is a bit more cloudy and moody. The light is fantastic, which is something only I care about right now. Dogs, sports, and mountains. What more could you want? There's a nice community behind this and a lovely way to raise children and spend family time. The organizers were very thoughtful, and when the award-winning ceremony started, they started with the photographers, and I did not expect to hear my name first in the award section. That was a surprise. So thank you for that. And after a weekend filled with dogs, I returned home to my cats, hoping they will accept me back.